Hello friends, today I am going to explain you about the leaf structure, function and modification. Plants are everywhere on land as well as in water. Plants may be big or small. Plants make the surrounding green. There are different types of plants: terrestrial plants, aquatic plants, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. Terrestrial plants are those plants which grow on land. Aquatic plants grow in water like hydrilla. Flowering plants bear flowers and non-flowering plants do not bear flowers. Rose is the example of flowering plant. Rose, hibiscus, those are the example of flowering plants. And fern and algae are the example of non-flowering plants. Now parts of plant. All flowering plants have two main systems. First one is root system, second one is shoot system. Root system is the underground non-green part of a plant. Root system consists of primary root and secondary root. This is the primary root and the branches of primary root are called as secondary root. Now the shoot system, it is the aerial part of the plant. Aerial means it is present above the ground. It bears stem, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. The main function of root is to hold the plant firmly in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. The function of stem is to help the plant to stand straight. Leaf is called the food factory of the plant because it prepares food for the plant. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. They produce fruits and seeds, and fruit bears seeds. Now, functions of root and shoot system. Root system attach plant in the soil. It absorbs water and minerals from the soil. And root system prevents soil erosion. Soil erosion means displacement of the upper layer of the soil. Now, shoot system. Stem supports branches, leaves and fruits. Keeps leaves spread out for the sunlight, because when leaves come in contact with sunlight, then only through the process of photosynthesis leaves prepare their food. And third one is transport water and minerals absorbed by the roots to the different parts of plant. It is the main function of stem. The water and mineral is absorbed by the roots, and through the stem it is transported to the other parts of the plant. Now we will discuss about parts of leaf. The first and main part of leaf is petiole. Petiole connects leaf plate to the stem. This is called as petiole. The leaves with petiole are called as stalked leaf. Means the leaves which have petiole are known as stalked leaf, and the leaves without petiole are known as sessile leaves. Stalked leaves are found in dicot plants, and sessile leaves are found in monocot plants. Now, lamina. Lamina is the green flat part supported by midrib, veins and veinlet. Veinlets are the branches of veins. Now, midrib. It is the extension of petiole in the leaf plate. Extension of petiole from the leaf apex to the stem. Veins. Veins are the lateral branch. These lateral branch attached or arised from the midrib. These lateral branches are known as veins. These are attached from the midrib. The main function of veins is to support lamina or transport food prepared by the leaf. Now, veinlets. These are called as veinlets. The branches of veins are called as veinlets. Now, venation. The arrangement of veins in the leaves. The arrangement of veins in the leaves are called as venations. The arrangement of veins in the leaves are called as venation. There are two main types of venation. First one is parallel venation. Second one is reticulate venation. Parallel venation means when the veins of leaf blade in the plants exhibit the parallel pattern. When the veins found in the parallel pattern from the leaf apex to the base, that is called as parallel venation when the veins are present in parallel way. Then a reticulate venation when the veins of leaf blade exhibit net-like structure. When the veins are present in net-like structure, that is called as reticulate venation. Now, types of leaves. There are main two types of leaves. First one is simple leaf. Second one is compound leaf. Simple leaf has a single leaf plate. A single leaf plate is present in the simple leaf. Its lamina is undivided. The lamina of simple leaf is undivided, but in compound leaf, they have separate leaflets. Each leaflet does not have auxiliary bud. Means in simple leaf, each lamina has a auxiliary bud. This auxiliary bud is present on each lamina, but in compound leaf, only one auxiliary bud is present. Means each leaflet do not have this auxiliary bud. Now, function of leaves. The first function of leaf is photosynthesis. As I had already explained you, the photosynthesis is the process through which plants prepare their food. Or we can say the photosynthesis is the process by which green plant transform light energy to chemical energy. During photosynthesis, energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide and minerals into oxygen. Now, transpiration. Transpiration is the loss of water in the form of water vapor, the process through which water is lost in the form of water vapor or through the process of evaporation. That process is known as transpiration. Now, respiration. During daytime, leaves use carbon dioxide from air for the photosynthesis and release oxygen. During daytime, plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Just opposite process takes place in the night. They take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. These are the main functions of the leaves. Now, modification of the leaves. First one is leaf tendril for support. Leaf tendril is present for the support of the plants. Leaves are modified into thin wire-like structure called as tendril. It supports plant to climb up. It is work as the supporting. It supports plant to climb up. Now, spines. Spines are present in the cactus. The main function of spine is to conservation of water and they also protect from animals. Spines help to avoid excess loss of water by the transpiration and they also protect plant from animal grazing. Now, scales. Scales are found in ginger and arbi plant. In Hindi, we call arbi ghuiya also. They may be thick or thin, or dry or fleshy. They may be thick or thin, or dry or fleshy. They protect buds and leaves which store food material. Now, insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants are also called as carnivorous plant. Carnivorous animals are those animals which feed on flesh of other animals in the same way. They are called insectivorous plants because they traps insects. They feed on insects. That's why they are also called as carnivorous plants. Plants catch and prey upon small insects. They carry out photosynthesis, but they grow in soil where nitrogen is present in less quantity. To obtain nitrogen, their leaves are modified into different types of structure like pitcher or bladder. Now, one by one, I will explain about the characteristic features of each plant. First, pitcher plant. The lamina of pitcher plant is modified into pitcher-like structure. The apex of the leaf form a lid. This is the lid of pitcher plant. When insects sit on the upper edge of pitcher, the lid suddenly closes. When insects sit on the upper edge of the pitcher, this lid closes. The insect falls into the bottom, where digestive juice is secreted and digest the insect. Now, second one is Venus flytrap. Lamina is divided into parts. This is the one part and this one is another part. Tooth are present on the margins. When insects sit on the leaf, the tooth interlock. When insects sit on the leaf, these tooth interlocked. In this way, they trap insect. Now the bladder work. It is a pouch-like structure, or we can say it is a bag-like structure where insect trapped. Now the fourth one is sundew plant. Leaves secrete a gluey mucilage. Leaves secrete a gluey mucilage and have trichomes. These are called as trichomes. When any insect sit on it, its colorful tip trap the insect, or insect is stuck with this colorful tip, and in this way the sundew plant digests the insect. Now the vegetative propagation I'm showing you the picture of vegetative propagation in leaf, in root and in stem. First I will explain the definition of vegetative propagation. In some plants grow from some vegetative parts like root, stem and leaves. This is called as vegetative propagation. When plants grow from root, stem and leaves, that is called as vegetative propagation. This is the vegetative propagation in leaf. This is the vegetative propagation in root. Of the same plant they are growing means here they are going from the root of the same plant. Here they are going at the edge of the same leaf. The buds we can see on the edge of the leaf. And here this is a very common example which we can see at our home also. This is the vegetative propagation in stem. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.